Good morning. My name is Dr. Apollo. So today we will be discussing continuation of management accounting. So to begin with, let's first discuss the ratios, the financial ratios in analyzing financial statement. So financial ratios are the key tools in analyzing financial health, performance, and stability of the business. They provide insights into company's operational efficiency, liquidity, solvency, and profitability. So we have the financial ratio. Number one is liquidity ratio. When you say liquidity ratio, that means the company has money, is capable of financing or giving salary. Uh, LR, liquidity ratio, assess company's ability to meet short-term obligation. That means the payment for the salary, supplies like that, in order to circulate the business, to operate. We have current ratio. Formula is current liabilities, that means the loans or any indebtedness divided by current assets. Example, if a company has current assets of 500,000 and liabilities of 250,000, so the current ratio is 2.0. That means this is liquid. If it's below 1, that means illiquid or negative. So 2 is okay, healthy. Okay, so used by creditors to evaluate whether company can pay off its debt in a short term. So when you apply for a loan, you ask your liabilities and then your salary. For example, now that's your asset. So if it is below 50%, so it will be illiquid. That means very difficult to pay. No? So that's the basic evaluation. Number two is a profitability ratio. So this one evaluates firm's ability to generate profit. How profitability is the company can make profit. So with the formula, net profit margin, net income divided by revenue times 100%. Example, if the company has a net income is 100,000 and revenue is 1 million, the profit margin is 10%. So that means a little bit okay, no? So this is because it's not zero. So used by investors to measure how effectively company converts revenue into profit. So banks, when they give loan, they're going to check for it. Another thing is efficiency ratio. This assess how effectively the company uses its assets and liabilities. Take note of the definition. So inventory, we have their inventory ratio formula. Inventory turnover, cost of goods divided by average inventory. Example, if the cost of goods is 400,000, average inventory 100,000, the inventory ratio is, the inventory ratio is 34. That means okay. So applications used by operation manager to gauge how efficiently inventory is being managed. But the higher is the better. That's the case. No? So leverage ratio. So this measure extent of company's financial leverage. A, we have debt to equity ratio. Equity, these are the uh, investments, no? Cash. Debt is the loan, no? So we have a formula debt to equity, total liabilities divided by shareholders' equity. If total liability 300,000, equity 600,000, debt to equity is 0.5. That means uh, somewhat okay, no? So used by investors and lenders to evaluate financial risk and capital structure. We have market ratio used to evaluate market value of company share. So we have price earning ratio, that is market price per share divided by earnings per share. So if the market price is 50 and earnings per share is 5, the P/E ratio is equivalent to 10. That's equivalent to 10. Okay. So application by investors to assess if a stock is over or undervalued relative to earnings. So PN ratio, they always ask for that. Okay, that's all for the ratio. Now let's move on to application, presenting financial information. So here are some suggestions. Presenting financial information. Here are some suggestions on how to present financial information with example and citation. Example, use the tables and figures. Example, this is tables, no? Income statement of Apple, revenue, cost of sales, gross profit, 2022, 2021. So use charts and graphs, no? These are charts. So number 2 is example, Apple's incorporated revenue grew 18 to 22. So it must be that, no? And then financial ratio, example, the current ratio of Apple is 2022 was 1.22, indicated strong liquidity position. With the trend analysis, helps to identify pattern and trends of financial data. That means growing. Example, the revenue of Apple has been increasing over the past 5 years with a compound annual growth rate of 10.2%. That means okay. And then another thing is comparative analysis. Helps to compare financial performance with industry peers. No? Example, the gross margin of Apple is incorporated 2022 was 39.6, higher than the industry average of 35. Then another thing is narrative analysis. Helps to provide context and explanation of financial data. Example, the increased revenue of Apple is driven by the service. No? Okay. Then regulatory and legal influences. Regulatory and legal influences national regulations, international regulations, and conventions. Regulatory and legal influence play a crucial role in shaping financial landscape. No? So we have national regulations. No? Example, that Frank Wall Street Reform Consumer Protection Act. UK Financial Act. These are the regulatory. We have international regulations. Example, Basel Accords, International Financial Standards. And then we have conventions. No? Examples, international swaps, derivatives, Wolfsburg School. No? So those are the presenting information. So this one, okay, for the Apple. So we will continue our session for the next segment, next time. Thank you for attending.